What a fucking night. Get your keys. Get your keys. Get your keys. You got a piece of cutter. Oh, John's a fucking permit. Holy shit! Holy shit! Fuck! How are you the last one to show up to your own party? That is messed up. What party? Your birthday party. What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
What?
It's a surprise party.
Surprise party?
Are you drunk?
Of course I am. It's a party.
Oh,